So I was out in the garage and I was trying to figure out a better way of mounting my seat to my kayak. And I've watched a lot of videos of guys using zip ties to secure their seats, their aftermarket seats, to their kayaks. And it works, don't get me wrong. However, I wanted to come up with a newer, better way in my mind of how I could do this. So it's 12:30 in the morning and just experimenting with things that I have already in my garage. And I run across these eye hooks. I already had holes here. And what I did was mounted these eye hooks. I have washers on both sides with lock nuts. And I put washers on both sides and I ran this bungee cord through and over the top on both sides, and then it runs across the bottom. And then I have this is, I believe, for a leash or something, but I ran my bungee cords over the top and secured it to that hole there. This thing is like held down, extremely secure. I would feel comfortable trailering this down the road. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I cannot explain how happy I am. I really didn't want to use zip ties, and it just turned out great. The seat fits well. It's just a plain Jane Walmart Ozark. Nothing special, not canoe, kayak. It's a Lifetime Tahoma that I got from Walmart for $198 with a paddle. But it's a great starter kayak, and I'm hoping to get out and do some fishing. Just had this kayak for about a week now. I was lucky enough to run across a nice aluminum trailer that I did a little wheeling and dealing on, and ended up paying $50 out of my own pocket. So anywho, hope you guys have a good night. Thanks for watching.